Imagine waking up every morning, knowing your money is working for you, generating income while you focus on what truly matters in life. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream is closer than you think. Today, we are uncovering the quickest and most effective ways to live off dividends in 2025. By the end of this video, you will have the tools and strategies to start building a passive income stream that could set you on the path to financial freedom. Hi, I am Steven. And after 10 years working in investment banking and for Fortune 500 companies as key finance executive, I have helped countless individuals transform their financial futures. Today, I am breaking down exactly how you can leverage dividend investing to create a steady, reliable income without needing to actively work for it. Trust me, if you follow these strategies, you will wonder why you didn't start sooner. Let's start with the basics. Living off dividends means earning enough from dividend-paying investments to cover your living expenses. It is one of the most sustainable ways to achieve financial freedom. But there are a few myths we need to bust before diving into the strategies. Myth 1. Dividend investing is only for the wealthy. This could not be further from the truth. You do not need a fortune to get started. Even small, consistent investments can grow into a substantial portfolio over time. Myth 2. Dividend investing is boring. Some think it won't provide the high returns they crave. But dividend investing is not about flashy overnight riches. It is about creating a steady income stream that can stand the test of time. Myth 3. Market volatility makes dividend investing too risky. Yes, markets can be unpredictable, but dividend-paying stocks often provide stability. Companies with a history of paying consistent dividends are usually financially strong and less affected by market swings. Still not convinced? Let me tell you a quick story. A close friend of mine started dividend investing in her late 20s. She didn't have much, just a small portfolio and a clear goal. She began by focusing on high-yield stocks with a solid dividend history. Over the years, she reinvested those dividends, diversified across different industries, and let compound growth work its magic. Today, she generates enough income from dividends to cover her living expenses. That's right, financial freedom built one investment at a time. So, how can you start your journey? It all begins with the right strategies. First, look for high-yield stocks. These can give you a larger income stream, but remember, higher yield often means higher risk. Balance is key. Second, reinvest your dividends. By using a dividend reinvestment plan, you can buy more shares, automatically allowing your portfolio to grow exponentially over time. This is how small investments turn into significant returns. Third, diversify. Spread your investments across different sectors and industries to minimize risk and maximize stability. Focus on companies with a strong track record of paying dividends and solid financials. Research is your best friend here. If you are still on the fence, let me give you a pro tip. Dividend investing is not about timing the market. It is about time in the market. Consistency beats perfection every time. The earlier you start, the more time you give your investments to grow. And do not let fear of knowledge gaps hold you back. You do not need to be a financial wizard to succeed. With so many resources available today, anyone willing to learn can master the basics of dividend investing. Living off dividends in 2025 is not just possible. It is attainable for anyone with the right mindset and strategy. It does not matter if you are starting with $100 or $100,000. What matters is your commitment to the process and your willingness to take the first step. Thank you for watching. Are you already investing in dividends? Let me know your experiences in the comments below. And if you are just getting started, I encourage you to take that leap today. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the advanced investing strategies we share. And before you go, check out the video that's popping up on your screen right now. It is packed with even more insights to help you maximize your investments. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. See you in the next one.